Hello everyone, Tiara here with Gypsyfae Creations. Thanks so much for tuning in. Today's soap making adventure is for you lavender fans. I feel as a soap maker, I have let you down. I have failed you because I have not done a lavender soap this year. In fact, I can't remember the last time I did do one. So I'm going to remedy that today with a lavender and lemon soap. Lavender and soap, they're just like this classic combination, like they belong together. Like peanut butter and jelly. What inspired this soap was a trip to a lavender farm that Bradley and I took. Very cute gift shop that, of course, you guessed it, was selling lavender soap, and I thought that I needed it to do one. So that it will be available in the Etsy shop today alongside a few other soaps like Mountain Man, Gone Bananas, Fruit Salad, Down to Earth, Bamboo Spa. There's a restock of The Boy Who Lived in there. So if you're interested, go check out the Etsy shop. But for now, let's get started and let's make some soap. To get started here, I have my oils ready to go with my coconut milk powder and my kaolin clay, my lye solution, which has sodium lactate and tussa soak, and I'm going to whisk these together. I want to work in layers. I want two distinctive layers in this soap, so I'm going to hand mix this and then split it into my colors. So I'm going to start with these two small little containers, and into the smallest one I'm going to add some Orchid Mica by Brambleberry, and into the larger I'm going to add some Sunshine Yellow by Nurture Soap. The fragrance I picked out is called Lemon and Lavender Type, and this is by Nature's Garden. And it has notes of lemon, orange, eucalyptus, tangerine, apple blossom, lavender, neroli, and eucalyptus. And of course I added some lavender essential oil to it as well. I carefully mix this in. Out of the bottle it smells very bakery and I don't know, a little sweet, so we'll see how that plays out once it's in the soap. Let's see if we can get a drop swirl going here. Please stay. For the top layer in this big bucket, I'm going to add some titanium dioxide to make it white. And I also have some purple soap shreds that I will mix in there as well. So to top this soap off, I have these melt and pour / cold process embeds that I have made to look like lemons. So I took some melt and pour and put it in a column mold, and then I took some soap and soap dough, and I rolled it around this little soap cane, and then cut it in slices, and then cut it in half again, and got these little lemons. I also have some fresh lavender buds to go in here. Well, fresh but dried. Bradley and I recently visited a lavender farm, and I picked some up while I was there to make this soap with, because as I was there I realized I haven't made a lavender soap in a while, and it just seems like a very classic scent that I should at least try and do one once a year. And they had some lavender for sale there. I have never been to a lavender farm. I didn't even realize they existed. When I think of lavender fields, I think of the ones in France. Those would be a dream to visit. But I visited my first lavender farm, and it was very beautiful, and I'm very envious. And I can't wait to plant my own lavender and dry it and infuse it and put it in my own soaps. But it was a very small little lavender farm. I think it just got started because I've never noticed it before. Bradley and I drive out to Deep Creek to his parents. His parents have a house out there, like a little cabin, and we usually do a little getaway a couple times a year. And we drove by a whole bunch of signs, and it was being advertised everywhere, and it really must be new. I should have found that out. So we decided to make a little pit stop on the way back, and they had some lavender ice cream, so of course I was like, we need to try that. I need to buy some lavender, and they didn't have any of the lavender lemonade, which I was a little disappointed with, because you know, of course, if I want something, they're not going to have it. That's typically how it is when I go to restaurants too. Get excited about something, go to order it, they're out. But I did try the lavender lemonade. They also had some lavender shortbread cookies there. They typically do a pick your own lavender, but the lavender wasn't, not all of it was in bloom. There was a late frost that kind of delayed things. And I gotta tell you, I didn't realize there were so many different kinds of lavender. There's so many. They all have like interesting names, and they're all just a little different shade of purple. And I don't know, I'm gonna have to grow them all now that I know. One day I'll have my own lavender field. Maybe not a field, maybe a lavender bed. Just sprinkle this on, hope that they don't turn any funky brown colors, because they really do have a very nice purple on them. And I will definitely go back to this lavender farm. Maybe I'll do it like a yearly thing, and next time they might have lemonade. They do also have yoga in the fields, in the lavender fields. I thought that was pretty neat. They had some chickens and a little shop there to buy some stuff. This would probably be nice. I can make my own lavender lemonade, to be honest, and I should just do that. Alright, that is all that's going on this soap. I think I'm not even going to put any, nope, I'm not going to put any glitter on this. I'm going to leave it how it is. Let it sit for 24 hours, and then I will come back and cut it and show you guys the inside. Alright, it's time to reveal the inside of this soap. I have turned it on its side because those lavender buds can cause drag marks, and I just want them to all fall off. Look at that. I love it. Smells delectable. It really is a lovely lemon smell. I love how that yellow mellowed out. The lavender buds on top stayed nice and purple. This soap is a great way to end the summer scents, because we are moving on to food and fall. So today is a shop update, and you can find this soap in the Etsy shop alongside others, if I can think of what they are, because I'm so horrible at remembering where I am. I believe we've got the dragon fruit. There is the earth soap. We've got the bourbon tobacco. What else in there? The banana one. Oh, good stuff. But the end of summer soaps, sadly, and not sadly, because I am excited to get started on all of the fall soaps. So if you guys would like to get your hands on one of these, go check out the Etsy shop. thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you want to hang out and make soap again, be sure to subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, leave them for me in the comment section down below. And until next time, I hope you have a very nice day, and I will smell you later.